Hi guys, this is Jamie with gettingcrafty.net. That's gettingcrafty.net. I wanted to show you a really cute twist on something you may or may not think about. This is the Tidings All Around bundle. It's one of my favorite bundles in the holiday catalog. It's got a great wreath stamp set and some great sprouts and some fun holiday seasonal wording. But it also has a great collection of dies. So you can see here, our all around wreath dies are amazing. So today I thought it would be fun to create a little gift for people that you can easily make at home. Quick, easy, boom. And it's seasonal. So a lot of people actually, one of the #1 holidays is Halloween. It creeps right up there. Actually, I think it surpasses Thanksgiving, which is kind of crazy to me. But we're gonna create a little note holder. And so I'm not a big a big Halloween person, but I love, love, love Stampin' Up's Monsters Bash and other Halloween paraphernalia this year. So using the Monsters Bash Designer Series paper, we're gonna create a sweet little card that I'm gonna show you guys how to do, and it's magnificent. Enjoy this. You can actually mail it, you can give it away, and it's useful, which is even better. Creating a really fun Halloween themed gift is easy to do. I like a useful gift as well. So here, using the Monsters Bash Designer Series paper, this gorgeous double-sided paper is so easy to use. So as you can see here, it is on one side this yellow print, which is crushed curry, and it actually reminds me of that Clue game. And then here you can see this gorgeous crumb cake and black castle appearance. We're also going to use the wreaths, I'm trying to look at the name here, sorry. The all-around wreaths dies right here to create 2 wreaths. We did one in basic black cardstock and then the mercury glass. That's going to create this really fun appearance of shiny, crackled glass on top of your black, which is an unusual gift, but Halloween has really come up to being one of the more popular holidays. So here's a useful gift. It's a card, or at least that's what it looks like. But with a simple extra fold, you can create a really pretty easel card, just like so. This is using a sticky note, a 3x3 sticky note, and crumb cake cardstock. We're gonna go ahead and make this now. So using our Simply Scored tool, okay, so taking your cardstock, and this is the crumb cake cardstock, elongated, we're gonna score this at 3 inches with our stylus, and then 5.5. And from there, we're gonna go ahead and cut it at 4 1/4. So now that you have a scored card, it's super easy to do. When I'm using a sticky note, because it's a 3x3 inch pad, I like to have a deeper first score. So that's why I did it at 3 inches. You can actually do this easel card in numerous ways depending on how much space you want for writing. Then we've already taken and die cut out of the basic black cardstock, this wreath. I just think it's gorgeous. I cannot get enough of it. I think it's beautiful. And I like a drama wreath. I actually have wreaths for all the seasons at my house. I love it. And then here with the mercury glass, we did the same. We went ahead and die cut that, and you get this gorgeous cracked glass, shiny, gorgeous. Oh my goodness, I love it so much. So taking the crumb cake cardstock, go ahead and I like to pinch it and then impress upon it with our bone folder. And then do the same with the second half. So go ahead and press upon it just like so. Now, I like that the stamp set has this "'Tis this season." I know it's silly because really that could be more of a Christmas greeting, but we're going to go ahead and use it on this Halloween card. And because the stamp set is photopolymer, I use a pierce pad underneath for when I'm stamping to have a better resolution of the stamped image. So this is the season for a good scare is what I'm guessing. Just go ahead and stamp that down just like so. Then using my Take Your Pick tool, actually I'll do that one in just a second. Then you can see here we have 2 sides to the same Designer Series paper. And today, because I know that not everybody does Halloween, this other side is really great, but I'm gonna set this one aside, and I kind of like the creepy Halloween castle that you can see here. I don't think it's so creepy that it's actually gonna offend anybody. So because the paper is double-sided, it gives you a lot of versatility of what you're going to use. Here I've cut this designer series paper to 3 3/4 by 5 inches. It has 3 3/4 by 5. And then we have the basic black cardstock, and that is going to be at 4 inches by, I just spaced, sorry, 4 inches by 5 1/4. So 4 inches by 5 1/4. Now we're going to be using something really fun right now. We're going to incorporate the new black dimensionals. So using the new black dimensionals, I love, love, love them so much. And the reason people need black dimensionals is when you're crafting with a darker product like this, you want to actually hide your adhesive, and a white one is more inclined to be shown. So right here, I'm going to place our dimensionals on the back of this castle sheet of paper. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. I actually think they might even be a little bit stickier than our normal dimensionals. I like them a lot. And then just frame it out on the front of this basic black cardstock. Then, because we want to place this on the front of the card, we don't want to have it overlap. You don't want adhesive the top half is what I'm saying. So what you're gonna do is come down here and do 4 dimensionals right here. So we're gonna go 1, 2, and this way, when I do this, I peel it off, leaving the backing on, and then I remove the backing. That prevents me from touching the adhesive and getting my fingers sticky. I don't like getting sticky fingers. And then we're gonna place this here. So what I do is I close the card, put this across the front of the card front, and adhere it down. Now, when we open it, it's gonna become an easy easel card. And it has lots of drama to it. I like it a lot. To up the drama factor just a little bit, I'm gonna use our clear Wink of Stella just to top off the castle. I think it's cool. I actually used to drive by this house, or walk by actually, when I was a kid in high school, in Santa Maria, California, this gorgeous mansion. I said, I'm gonna live there someday. And I went back and I was like, thank God I don't live here across the street from a high school. Maybe that's just me. I like not, one of the things you start owning a home, you're like, you look environment, you're like, being near a school might be nice, but not too close. Awesome. Just a little twinkle. You can even catch these little moons to create a little drama. It's very subtle, but it's really worth those little action pieces. Now, what we're going to do is pretty simple. We're going to use the mini dimensionals, and we're going to place the wreath across the front. So using the black mini dimensionals, it really works here because it hides the dimensional right behind it. And our Stampin' Black dimensionals is a combo pack. So you actually are going to be getting mini and regular size dimensionals inside of it. 2 sheets of each, super easy and way affordable. I don't know that these will be carried over into the main catalog next year. So this is my little FYI. If you like these dimensionals like I do, you may want to stock up on them because once they're gone, they're gone. And black dimensionals are beyond groovy. I don't like sticky fingers. Ugh, that bugs me when I have to touch the adhesive. Maybe that's just me. Is that you guys too? I don't know. So go ahead and place your wreath across the front like so. Now on its own, it's quite dramatic. I actually really like that. But let's up the drama factor with our crackled glass, mercury glass die cut right here. So, and because it's going on a black frame, it actually will hide it. Easy peasy. If you were to put white back there, then it's going to show that white really easily. So you want to kind of be careful. Cautious is the word in crafting. Hardly. I'm always I cut myself half the time. I'm always running 200 miles an hour trying to catch up with my thoughts. Are you guys like that? I will take the image I have in my head and start crafting in like a race to catch up with the image. It's okay if it's not you. It's okay if it's just me. That's what I blame it on. Honestly, it could just be kludzy. Who knows? If you were to ask my daddy, he was like, nope, she runs 200 miles an hour. That's what this girl does. Now with the black dimensionals right behind that there, you want to set it so that it's off, so that you're not doing same on same. You want to offset it so that that black peeks through for a drama feature. Just like so. Now, am I done? Heck no, we are not done. Taking our Take Your Pick tool, I love my Take Your Pick tool, and our adhesive back rhinestones, I'm gonna add a little dazzle. Why not? We should all dazzle. Oh, somebody must have been playing with my take your pick tool. I have kids, you guys. We're gonna blame them and not the crafting elves. We're gonna go ahead and pick up some of the larger rhinestones, and put them on the front of this here. Remember I told you I don't like to get sticky fingers? This take your pick tool is dreamy. I don't have to scoop up and try to finagle it. And it's only like $10. Hello, best thing ever. And now that it has a Big Shot attachment, it's like my go-to for everything. Right there. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. We have not added the little sticky note. Now, you can use Post-it notes, sticky notes, whatever you want, just a standard 3x3. I actually really like half a sticky note pad because it makes it easier to mail. So what you're gonna do is upload your card like so. Put your sticky note just like this and give it a good rub. So when you place your card on the front of it, it's going to look just like this. Isn't that cute, you guys? So easy, and yes, you can fold it down. Now, because I'm not done, I really would like to add some more sparkle to this card. So go ahead with your Take a Pick tool, grab a couple more of your adhesive back rhinestones and place them right here. That way you get the continuity of the project, and it is a nice little surprise inside. And put your lid on your Take Your Pick tool and put it away, because if you're like me, you lose everything. So here we have a really quick little easel card gift. It's a twist on the gorgeous Tidings All Around stamp set and bundle. We actually have a class. There's a Getting Crafty virtual class you can order, and there's an in-person class you can take on this very card set, this stamp set right here. And if you want to save on that, the in-person class, you save $25 on the class if you purchase the bundle option. And you can actually take this to go, and I will send you the bundle and a private tutorial on all those cards that we're creating. So this is just something really fun, and everybody who comes may be receiving this in their class or online. They'll receive it in their Getting Crafty virtual. So I hope you enjoyed this sweet little easel card. The wreath that takes a twist on it. Celebrate Halloween just a little bit with this elegant crackled glass wreath. I hope that it makes you happy just like me. If you have somebody, you coworker or a friend, a teacher, or just near your kitchen counter, wherever you take lists, this is a go-to item because it folds quickly, easily, and it actually has a purpose. While you can also mail it. Look how thin that is. Not too shabby. And if they want, they can just keep it as a card, or they can put another sticky note pad in for their desk. I hope that you enjoyed this. Thanks for coming by. Check the full tutorial out on my blog at gettingcrafty.net. That's gettingcrafty.net. If you shop with me and use hostess code N39JW7G9 here at checkout, it'll be in the description as well. If you do so, I will send you Happy Mail in the mail with a little gift. I hope this brightens your day. Thanks for coming by. Please like and share this video and all of my videos, and see all the tutorials right on my blog waiting for you. Have a great one. Bye.